I got some fuckery going on, man. I bought this car and literally they got a gas cap that take a key. Well, I go to get gas and I can't get gas because I don't have the fucking key. So it wouldn't, it's a lock. So now I'm fucked. I got these orders that I have to drop off. Petco, and then they sent me a PetSmart order. I gotta go run there, hopefully make it, and go try to get this damn gas cap off. Man. It's your boy Dashinq with Q. You feel? You don't? You will. Let's get this money. Hey, yo, Q. Let me get that. These orders, man, and this damn gas cap is a key to open the gas cap, and they didn't give me the key when they sold me the car. So now oh my God, I had to break the gas cap. Now I gotta get a new gas cap. I can't get gas, so I gotta
continue on Minnesota 15 north for 3/4 of a mile.
To make matters even worse, I was on 2 stacked orders. I was on an order that was stacked. So to PetSmart and Petco. Yeah, so let's see, y'all. Fuck. We got that fucker out. Back to Dashinq. You feel me? I just got $8 for 3.4 miles, a Star of India, and they stacked on another diamond. I don't know what it is, but it's a $6 plus. I forgot what restaurant it is, but you feel me? We getting all diamonds. I got a Chipotle. This is that stack, the additional order. All right, this is that last drop off. How you doing?
How you doing?
Not bad. This is that second drop off of that stacked order. He out there listening to his classical. I got this order for Grizzlies, $13.50 for 6.6 miles. $13.50, 6.6 miles. It's another diamond. I am the Diamond King, so I don't expect no different. We got Applebee's at $6.75 plus for 2.3 miles, 2.4 miles. Yeah, and it's ready. Alright, I got a Taco Bell that's $4 for 1.5 miles. It's like a zombie. Alright, we got a Lian Chin of $14.50 for 7 miles. $14.50 for 7 miles. I took it because of the hourly. Think about it in the hourly perspective, you're gonna kill them if you keep doing that. Y'all, problems solved. True's pizza, $7.50 for 2.5 miles. $7.50 for 2.5 miles. True. Alright, it's a beautiful night and we got a Chick-fil-A order. $5.50 for 2.3 miles. It's not ready, of course. Drop off for Chick-fil-A. Alright, I got a $7 for 3.1 miles. Boulder Tap House. Let's get it. $7 for 3.1 miles. This has been going well today, man. It's despite the, the couple orders that you're gonna receive, the bad ones, but other than that, it's been great. All right, this is drop off for that order. It's handed to me. Customer said, hand him the order. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, have a good one. Y'all, it's been going smooth. Of course, I was at 90. I had to decline like 8 or 9 so far. Brought me back down to 80% on the AR, but I got a $7.50 for 3 miles, and I just got to add on to Papa has $5. It's $50 for 1.7 miles at the old brick house. It looks dead, deserted, but they're alive. I see them in there. They still breathing. Oh, is it closed? How the hell you get in here?
Okay.
Are they closed? All right, it is with this order.
Doing a lot of recording on the property. Sir.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right, we got an Applebee's, $10 for 5 miles. $10 for 5 miles. I was on the cusp of almost declining, but I said, hell no. You know what? I can do that in fairly decent time. Let's get it. Busting, man. We been dead, man. Stop playing. I do this. Another 517 for like 2 miles. Something slight. But it's a diamond, though. Here's a drop for Taco Bell. This huge house. Huge house. Hey, I got a $16.50 for 6.2 miles. Insomnia cookies and Jets pizza. I got to pick up both orders. This is first order to pick up. I want to pick up the second one. Hi. I got a DoorDash second pickup of this order, Jets pizza. Second pickup, Jets pizza. Let's go. All right. I'm gonna drop off the Jets. Thank you, headlights. Thank you. Sign me a cookies drop off. Drop this shit out. If it look like it's for the rain, it's lightning. It's almost midnight. Alright, I got a Taco Bell, $9 for 5 miles. It's 2 drop-offs. I'm just getting tired. I'm getting tired. I probably don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna leave it open on my way back. If I catch anything, we're gonna knock it out. $10.25 plus for 4 miles. Let's see what that plus is. You feel me? Hey, yo. And that's a wrap, man. That's how we do that. We made $272 for the day. You feel me? Tadasha. You know? I thought somebody said that stats don't mean shit. I heard somebody say that. Anywho. Hey, it's your boy Dashinq. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Look, hey, we're going to keep cracking out this content. Keep elevating. Keep going to the top. You know what I'm saying? And getting this money. You feel me? You have a great night.